Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to be going over a toy gun that I got. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the bullet. And then after I get the mag, let me get that really quick. Hold. Okay, so after you do that, and you put the bullets back in. Here you go, put it in the gun. There we go. And now that I forgot to put this in the mag, I'm going to just put it in the other one because why not? And then I'm going to get this flashlight. Wrong way. So now that we have a flashlight, let's slide that on like this. Okay, now that I stopped playing, let's go over this. So let's put the mag inside, and then let's get our gun and put it in here. Now it has little clips on the back you can clip to your pants. But now that that's done, I have one more surprise. So this is something my friend gave to me, Rowan, and make sure to go check out his channel. His channel is like Rowan Yeager. So let's set that to the side. And let's bring in the Glock 19. This is something that I'm testing on. I'm making it do a lot of other stuff. I'm probably going to make it shoot and the shell come out of the side. So stay tuned for that. But the mag does come out too. And you can cock it, but if you cock it, it doesn't go back. You have to put it back. One more thing about the gun I got today, which is, I think is really cool. Cock it like this, and then when you shoot, a bullet flies out of the side. That's amazing to me. If you liked today's video, thank you for watching. And make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Thanks for watching today's video. Peace.